Hey, my friend Daniel here. Yes, the moment is here, the myEcon global launch. I have some very, very important information to go over with you in this video. So please make sure you watch this video all the way through. If you've been seeing or hearing the rumors about myEcon 2025 and the global launch, yes, it's all true and it's all about to happen. And if you look very closely at your screen right now, you're going to see a nice little important update right here. And you can see the official live launch date. Okay, so that's the first thing that we're going to go over in the video right there. So make sure that you understand at the time of this video, that's just, about a week away. We're going to be doing the live launch. So make sure that you are ready for that. Now, couple things that you need to do to be 1000% ready for this. So I can get you plugged in. I can help you. I can help you make sales. I can help get you up and running and ready and rolling. All of those things. Number one thing, if you haven't got on my list already, okay, link in the description down below. Okay, open up the show notes down below. Make sure you click the link and get on my email list. I mean, literally put your name, your email, click yes, I want to know first, get in there, get on my email list, and make sure that you are 100% ready to be notified exactly when all of the lives are happening, when you can grab your link, when you can sign up, all of those things. Very, very, very important. Okay. So, also, just as important, if not even more important. Okay. Second thing here is make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, but even more importantly than that, make sure that you hit that bell icon so you can get notified anytime I upload new content. Now, this part here, subscribing and hitting that bell icon is going to be really, really important because I'm going to be going live, and I'm going to cover this here in a few minutes. I'm going to be going live the second that we get notification, the second that the global links are live in our myEcon members area. I'm going to be going live right here on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to start plugging people into the Rotator Live. I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know, everything you get access to. I'm going to be doing that all live. So when I go live, if you are subscribed and you specifically hit that bell icon, you're going to get an email notification from YouTube notifying you the moment I go live, which is very, very important. So again, make sure you follow those steps there. So number one, link in the description down below. Make sure you get on my email list because I'm also going to be emailing you there. Number two, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, and you get notified from YouTube. So that way you're going to know 100% for sure everything that's going to happen. Now, I'm going to unshare my screen here for a second and go over some really important steps that is going to happen once we launch. Okay, so the third thing that we're going to talk about here, and this is really important, and this could be really powerful and impactful for you. So the official launch date is the 15th, which is a Saturday. Now, the reason it's a Saturday is because the sales week for myEcon goes from Saturday through Friday. So they're basically going to be launching at midnight. I'm going to be here on my YouTube channel going live and doing, yes, a live midnight launch. And yes, it'll be a Saturday. It's the weekend. I don't even care. This is so big, so important that you need to be ready for this. So first off, we're going to be doing a midnight live launch the moment that the links are ready and everything is 100% ready to be launched. And it's going to be right here on my channel. Now, the second thing we're going to be doing live is I'm going to be plugging you into a sales rotator. I have an exclusive myEcon global sales rotator. The people that are joining live, and the floodgates are going to open wide open. We straight up have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people on a waiting list. That list that I literally just shared with you at the beginning of this video, okay, that email list is hundreds and hundreds of people. Those people are eagerly awaiting for this moment. So as you guys are coming in live, I'm going to be taking you, as soon as you get in and get active, I'm going to be taking your username, plugging you into my global sales rotator, and I'm going to be helping those people make sales live. Yes, I'm going to be helping brand new people make sales live. And as long as the sales keep coming in, I'm going to stay live here on my channel as long as it needs to. So if it's an hour, 3 hours, 5 hours, I don't even care. I'm going to plug in as many people to the sales rotator live and help as many people make sales live. And this is all, again, on 3/15. So March 15th, which is coming up very, very soon. That's going to be live right here on my YouTube channel. It's going to be an incredible, incredible launch. So make sure that you are part of that. Now, lastly, if you're in the USA right now and you're not in myEcon, I don't know what the hell you're waiting for. Link in the description down below. Get yourself on the inside. Trust me when I tell you this, it's so much more important right now. The timing for you right now is to get on the inside and be in first. It's much better to be here on the inside than it is there on the outside looking in when you have the opportunity to get ahead of this and be in prime position for this launch. We're going to be going crazy, driving traffic, paid advertising to our sales rotators, helping so many people make so many sales. And we could be plugging you in and helping you get going now before the launch goes crazy, before this thing gets out of hand. Okay. This is going to be adding thousands and thousands and thousands of people into myEcon. It's going to be absolutely insane and crazy. And it's all going to kick off right here on the 15th live. But for you, my friend, if you have the opportunity, if you're here stateside, get in first. Get in now so you can reap that reward and reap that benefit before everybody else does. Okay. Now, that is it, my friends. You know exactly what to do. Links in the description down below. Get on my email launch list. Okay. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and more specifically, hit that bell icon so you know exactly the moment I go live, you're going to get notified. There's going to be no way that you can miss or not realize that I'm live here on my channel for the myEcon global launch. And when you participate live with me here, once you sign up, I'm going to be plugging you into the rotator live, and we're going to be trying to help you make sales literally as soon as you sign up. It's going to be epic. It's going to be awesome. I can't freaking wait. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Exciting times, my friend. You know what to do. Don't wait. Go now. The video's ending. Hit the links in the description down below. Get started. Get on my launch list. Subscribe. Bell icon. All that stuff. See you soon.